So just recently our train station square has undergone a dramatic change in appearance. What do you think? Do you think public money should have been spent on more practical things like mending potholes? Or are you a fan? Well, aside from opinion, the artist of this mural, Yinka Ilori, has done me a favour because it's given me something to talk about for my art history module. So just want to say thanks, Yinka. You've helped me out. Thank you. Yeah, so what's this all about then? Well, I should just read what I shared verbatim on my art history module as follows. Hi, just recently a new large-scale installation by artist Yinka Ilori titled Walk With Your Dreams has transformed the floor of my hometown Milton Keynes' train station square. Covering 3,027 square metres, the mural draws on the artist's Nigerian heritage, translating traditional West African textile dyeing techniques into swathes of paint. This vibrant work reflects the diversity of the local community with its floral motifs symbolising the blossoming of the city's founding aspirations. Walk With Your Dreams is an example of cultural interaction occurring just recently in my hometown, of which I appreciate. Cheers, Chris. So what you're seeing now are the floral motifs symbolising the blooming of the dream of a once new and fertile city. Yeah. A city that had aspirations and still has. And one thing they aspired to do was to create a tram system, which they are threatening to go ahead with now. So I think that's pretty good public money spent. I think we're all kind of fed up with Arriva bus service. The transit here is pants, it's just shit. So I'm looking forward to that, if that ever actually, manifests. The sheer scale of this mural envelops you, just like when you're looking at, for example, a Jackson Pollock painting. It's meant to do that, yeah, and it can evoke emotion, it can lift you. It can, if you walk through that mural and you're very self-aware, you might be able to feel your mood lift somewhat. That's the power of it. It's good because of the vivid colours. So, or not, you know, you could just be so in your head, so, you know, distracted that it's not going to make a difference. But for those that are self-aware and they do notice their surroundings, it can lift your spirits, you know. It's good for your mental well-being, I guess. It's another good point. So yeah, enjoy it. And if you're here and you've ingested psychoactive substances, conveniently they've placed these nice seats here, so if you start panicking you can sit yourself down. It really does feel like it's meant to be Superman's landing pad though.